In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to Webflow. Adding video content to your website can be a great way to engage visitors and enhance their overall experience. Whether you're showcasing a product demo, sharing customer testimonials, or creating a captivating visual story, embedding video can be an effective medium. Let's begin by logging into your Webflow account. Once you're in, select the project that you want to work on. This is where you'll be embedding the video. Navigate to the page where you'd like your video to appear. It could be your home page, an About Us page, or anywhere else you think the video would add value. Locate the Add panel, which is represented by a plus sign on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on that will show you the available elements. Here, you'll need to find and select the video element. Now, drag and drop the video element onto the section where you want the video to live on your page. It's important to choose a spot where the video will naturally fit with your page layout and content. Consider the size and aspect ratio of your video, as these will impact your overall design. After placing the video element, you'll be prompted to enter a video link. Typically, Webflow supports video hosting platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. You'll need to have your video already uploaded to one of these platforms so that you can copy the video link. Once you've copied the link, head back to your Webflow project and paste it into the field provided. Now, the video has been embedded on your page. If you want to customize the video player's appearance, look toward the Settings panel. Here, you can make adjustments like setting the video to autoplay, loop, or mute, depending on the experience you want to create for your audience. Remember that autoplay can sometimes annoy users, especially if they aren't expecting sound, so consider these settings carefully. Let's walk through a few styling tips to make your video integrate seamlessly with the rest of your website design. Select the video element and look at the designer panel on the right. Here you can adjust paddings, margins, or align your video with other elements on the page. You might want to center it or create space around it for captions or additional text. Once you've customized everything to your liking, it's time to preview your site. Click on the preview icon to see how your video looks and functions when live. Make sure everything is working as you intended, checking both desktop and mobile views for responsiveness. If everything looks good, you're ready to publish these changes. By clicking the Publish button, your new video will be live for all your visitors to see. And that's it! You've successfully added a video to your Webflow site. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below if you need further clarification. Happy web designing!